Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you on how to set mindfulness reminders using the Calm app on your phone. Mindfulness reminders help you take moments throughout your day to pause, breathe, and refocus your mind, which is a great way to reduce stress and increase awareness. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings. Then, find the Mindfulness Reminders option and select it. You will see an option to set the time for your reminders. Click on the time setting and choose the time of day that works best for you. After selecting your preferred time, tap OK to confirm your choice. Next, you will be able to choose which days you want to receive the reminders. By default, all days are selected. If there are any days you want to exclude, simply uncheck those days. Make sure that the toggle for getting reminders is turned on so that you will actually receive the notifications. Finally, after setting the time and days, click on the Set Reminder button to save your preferences. From this point on, Calm will send you mindfulness reminders according to your customized schedule. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.